On this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to install a dimmer switch, but this is not just any type of dimmer switch. This is a multi-location dimmer switch by ELEGRP. Now stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you all the key features on what makes this special, so make sure you stay tuned. Hey there friends, welcome to Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, consider pressing the subscribe and notification bell so you can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews that I do within this channel. So just a quick disclaimer, we are going to be working with electrical today, so make sure you shut off the power from your circuit breaker before working with any type of electrical. Make sure that you're in compliance with your local codes because every location is different. And if you're uncomfortable with working any type of electrical, please hire a certified, qualified electrician. With that being said, my full disclaimer is in the link down below. Let's get into today's video. It's the face right there. Comes with two dimmers. Again, you can use this as a single pole or a three-way switch. So if you're going to be using this for a single pole switch, do not remove this label. Use terminal for three-way or more applications only. For single pole applications, do not remove this label. You have a strip gauge at the back. In the back right here, you have the three-way. You have the load and you have the line or the common terminal. There's a feature here that I like with the plus. You can increase and decrease the intensity of the light right there. It's nice and smooth. This is not a backstab. A backstab is one of those spring-loaded connections where you push it in and it locks. This one is a back wire. Reason why back wire is because you can tighten it by screwing it with a combination screwdriver. Fits perfectly on that terminal screw. If you're interested in one of these, I'll leave that link on the description down below. This dimmer switch is powered by ELEGRP Advanced Dimming Technology. You're going to enjoy smooth, reliable, and silent dimming for LED lights, and it's also compatible for LED bulbs. So this is the switch that I'm going to be changing it out to. So let's check if there's any power left in here. So since we're going to be using the three-way switch feature, you can take out this sticker now, which is right there. Measure the strip gauge. It's about the same right there. Push this in, tighten that with your combination screwdriver. Now take your black wire. And there you go. Take your other ground and just connect it like that. There you go. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. So now I'm going to take my other switch. Common will go to the common terminal right here. So there you go. Tighten that. Take my other line to the red. Connect it easily to the ground like that. And that's it. To show you that it works, check it out. My dimmer, all I gotta do is I press this switch and it turns off like that, slowly. So unlike those other dimmer switches that when you operate it, you could hear that humming and buzzing at the background. This one, when you operate it, it's completely silent dimming. And if I want to turn it on, there you go, it turns up like that. It is very smooth and quiet. So when you press the button, it barely makes any clicking sound, very soft to the touch, and so easy to use. So I've installed many other dimmer switches before, and when it gets to the very low setting, my light starts to flicker. What produces that flickering is that sudden rush of current straight to the bulb. Some of the dimmer switches out there do not have that feature or that technology like this ELEGRP dimmer switch has. So this one prevents and reduces all that inrush current, and it also makes it so that it helps it so you can dim it down to the lowest level without the flickering, and it lengthens the lifespan of your bulb. You can set it to low so that when you turn it off, it turns off, and when you turn it on, it stays on that intensity that you first set it on. Okay, so if I set it into a high mode and I turn it off, like so, and the next time I turn it on, it stays on the same setting that I set it on, whichever mode or what intensity that you want. Now again, this will work on the other side as well. So what I really like about this dimmer switch is that you can control the dimming on each side wherever you put it. Say you put it on one side of the room, you can dim it on there. Put it on one side of the room, you can control it on either side, whether you are up or down the stairs. That's one of the great features that it has, is you can control it on either side. So there you have it, friends. If you're in the market for a dimmer switch, I highly suggest that you consider this multi-location dimmer switch by ELEGRP. I installed this on this older home that I have, but I am definitely going to be installing this on my next home that I'm currently renovating at the moment. So this is going to be my main one that I'm going to install on my stairs so that I can control it on upstairs and downstairs at the same time. You already saw the many multi features and functions that this has, so give it a try. I think it's worth the money for what it is, and it's not that expensive compared to the other dimmer switches that are out there. For all the features that it contains, I think it's a big bang for your buck. If you guys are interested on this specific one by ELEGRP, this one, the multi-location function switch dimmer, I'm gonna go and link this up on the link down below. Just click that button more on the description and you'll see this one specifically on that link. And check it out and try it for yourself, and let me know in the comment section down below if you ended up liking it, what are your experiences with it, or if you already have this, share with the group and community on what your experiences with this dimmer switch. Okay friends, so thank you so much for the love and support. I hope you found this video super helpful and made your decision on the next dimmer switch selection. If you have any questions, again, leave it in the comment section down below. Again, thank you so much friends for all the love and support. If you found this video super helpful, please hit that big thumbs up, press the subscribe notification bell, and I'll see you friends on the next video.